Hey, what's up everyone? So today we have this charger. It's an RT. We previously did a hood wrap on it in the satin black finish. And today what we're gonna do is upgrade the grills. We're gonna do the Snorkel grills. And we're gonna be adding some Flow Series snorkel lights. So we're gonna show you guys how to do that. Okay, so here we have Angel removing you wanna remove all these little clips. They just clip off, just all these. You just want to get rid of those. And once you remove all those, you're gonna have a 10 millimeter right there, and same on the other side. It's that one right there. And once you remove those, this is gonna be ready to go. And all you gotta do is remove the 10 millimeter that's inside here and here. And then it has 7 millimeters in the bottom. So, and once you remove those, you could pull the bumper off. Alright, yeah, so we're about to start switching the grills. So as you can see, we got these right here, the top and bottom grill, and this one has the snorkels, but this one doesn't. This is like the stock one. And it also has different shapes in a way. There's that right there. This one has more like an X. You can see the difference. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put these two, swap those two out. And then after that, we're gonna remove these. But we're gonna put actual color ones from Lighting Trendz, so y'all stay tuned. So as you can see, we already took both grills off, the top and bottom, right there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and throw these in. This one just slides right in through the front, through over here. And then it has 12 screws. And then go ahead and clip in the top. So you have two snorkels. Got this. An extension. The Bluetooth, and your 4 outlet output, your 4 output, and you got some decals for your car. So these are the Flow Series pre-built snorkels. I'm gonna test them. This one. And you want to get this, kind of away from the engine. That way it doesn't get too hot because they can mess up the lights. So I'll put them somewhere down here in the corner. And for the snorkel on that side, you're going to use the extension. And you want to leave a little bit of slack on these, that you can pass them through the grill and connect them. And there you go. So now we're going to plug into the power. Yeah. And so as you can see, it's gonna be this one right here, the magic LED. Once you go in, you're gonna see, it's usually unnamed, but it's got 2 services. So you'll click it, it'll connect. And you see you got your colors, got different modes. But so right here you got modes. If you just click through here, you could go through the different modes. And also if you actually press it, it gives you the option down here to scroll through all of them. So as you can see, you got 200 modes. So it's a lot of combinations that you could do, a lot of different colors. And also besides the 200 modes, you still got all your solid colors. So we got the grills, we got the snorkels ready. Remember to leave some slack. And so all you want to do now is pick up the bumper. And you just grab your snorkel and you just pass it through. And then it just clips on. Alright, and just like that, once you put it on, once again you pass it through the light, it just clips on. And you're basically good to go. You just put everything back now, all the screws, secure the bumper. So, yeah. Okay, and just like that, that's how you install the snorkels. Just make sure you connect your side markers and your fog lights, don't forget. But that's it. I'm just gonna let a video to show you all the different colors and modes. But thank you for watching and subscribe.